if you are enrolled for the online banking service of PNC Bank. In this video, let me show you the quick process of logging into it. You can log into the online banking of PNC Bank through its website. Search for pncbank.com on the search bar of your web browser, and it's going to take you to the website of PNC. From the website, to log into your online banking, you'll see an option or a button of sign on the top right. Click on it and this login page will open up. Now first of all, you will need to type in the user ID that you created while signing up for the online banking service. If you want this device to remember your user ID, the next time you open up, you can check this box, but you'll need to avoid this step if you are using a shared device and not your own personal device. In the second box, type in the password. If you don't remember your password or your user ID of your account, click on the forgot ID or password link, and from there you can follow simple steps to recover either of these information. Once you type in both of these information correctly, you can click on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking of PNC Bank. You can also log into your account using the mobile app of PNC Bank. Do make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.